It's Leah, Lice Lady here. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Today we're going to show you how to pick nits by hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by sectioning off the hair into 4 sections. So go ahead and take your comb like this. We use the wet brush comb because of how easy it is to comb through the hair. Comb it up into 4 sections, or pin it up into 4 sections, I should say, leaving a little bit of that hair exposed down at the bottom. And then you're going to take some of that comb out mousse that we use. What this is going to help do, it's going to smooth that hair down. And it's really going to help to see where those eggs are and to be able to get them out a little bit better. I'm going to actually take a little bit more of her hair down. A lot of times when eggs are laid, they're laid about 1/8 of an inch away from the scalp. If parents have been working actively to try to get rid of a lice infestation, we're going to see eggs throughout the whole entire hair shaft just from that combing that the parents have done. So eggs can be anywhere. We're going to look through the hair. You have to try to isolate the strand of the hair, which is extremely difficult to do if you're going to do this by hand. We do recommend doing this with a comb, but if you want to do it by hand, sometimes you have to if the comb isn't a good comb to use. And sometimes if those eggs are extremely sticky, you're going to need to do it with your finger. So try to isolate a strand, and then you're going to take your fingers and you're just going to pull all the way from the top all the way to the bottom until the egg comes off. We like to use paper towels and then just place the egg on a paper towel. And then you have your egg. This is not necessarily a method that I recommend trying to do strand by strand. Again, I do recommend using a comb. We use the Terminator combs. But again, some of those eggs are going to be extremely sticky, and you're going to need to pull them out section and strand by strand. If you find therapy and using fine motor skills, then this is perfect for you. So again, this is not a very practical way of taking head lice. You can go through and pick the nits one by one, or you can go and you can pick the nits out using a comb. It's a much more easy and practical way to do it. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like our page for more updates on head lice. Thanks for joining us, and have a lice-free and happy day.